Okay, so what we're looking at here is constructing a triangle, and this particular one, what we'll be given is the length of the three sides. So I always suggest that we make a quick sketch. It doesn't have to be to scale or anything, but it just helps us know where we're going to put each of the measurements and roughly the orientation of the triangle when we've finished. So I'm just going to draw out a triangle, label it A, B and C, and then I'm going to use this information here just to give me an idea where everything's going. So AB is going to be 5, BC is going to be 7 centimetres and AC is going to be 9 centimetres. So I would also always suggest drawing the base first. So I'm going to give myself enough room, and I'm in above the baseline to get the other sides of the triangle in, and I'm going to draw my 9 centimetre line down the bottom and then label it AC. And label it with its actual length. So this is now to scale. Okay, now coming up from A, I can see that I've got a 5 centimetre side. So using a pair of compasses, I'm going to set my compasses at 5 centimetres. And then putting the point at A, I'm going to draw myself an arc. This is your construction line, and these arcs will stay once you've finished your triangle. I'm now going to look at finding the distance, the top point from C, and it says it's 7 centimetres. So I'm going to set my compasses now at 7 centimetres. Put the point of my compass at C, and I just need to make sure this arc crosses my previous arc line and draw a little line there. If it doesn't cross, then you can always go back to A and extend the arc that you've done. Now where those two arcs are crossing up here, that's going to be point B of my triangle. And I'm just going to join the length or the point or the end of each, the initial line segment, to where those arcs are crossing. And if you put your pencil on the point first and bring your straight edge up to it, that makes sure you keep it as accurate as possible. Leave those construction lines there and label the sides with the lengths you've been given. And there you go.